In this video, I'm going to reveal to you how you can get 1,000 leads to your CPA marketing offer just by using a simple beginner friendly strategy. And guys, this strategy guys is going to be beginner friendly, meaning that even as a beginner, you can grab hold of this strategy and start using this right now to make money with CPA marketing. And without much delay of time, let's cut right to the chase and jump right into today's video. So first of all, you want to go on to getting a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. You could use the CPA Lead right here, the CPA Grip, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. If you want to use the CPA Grip, click on register and you'll be brought to this page. Just simply go on to filling out this form appropriately. For this publisher type, it is quite important that you either select the website/incense or the GPT right here, as this will actually help you get your account approved almost immediately. You can read through the terms of services right here and agree by checking out all these boxes right now. And guys, once you do click on register, you should log into your account and be brought to the dashboard. And guys, you want to just simply come right here, click on offer tools and my offers once you're logged into your account, and you should be brought to a page such as this. You could filter offers based on any country of your choice right here. You could select offers to the United States, to Australia, Afghanistan, or any country of your choice right now. And guys, it is quite important you understand the traffic which you want to use to promote your offer and actually go on to selecting offers available to that demographic only. And guys, if I'm going to be using this platform right here called Sprout Gigs to go on to driving traffic to my CPA marketing offers, I'm just going to analyze the Sprout Gig website using the similarweb.com. So right here guys, you can see that based on the SimilarWeb analysis, that Sprout Gig actually gets about 3.1 million visits every single month. And you can just scroll through down to this section where you can see the top countries that do visit this website right there, either Egypt, Algeria, Brazil, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia right here, which is why you want to promote offers to one of these countries right here on Sprout Gig. And how do you want to do that? You could just simply go to CPA Grip, click on the offer which you want to promote right there, copy the link to that offer, head on to this platform right here which is called a link tree, and actually do go on to creating a link tree. And if you do come right here guys, you could register for this platform for absolutely free. Select a cool username right here by inserting into this section and just simply click on claim link tree. Follow the necessary procedures to register your account and do come right here to this page. And in this page guys, you just want to go on to adding your CPA marketing offers in this section right here. As you can see, I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers available to the United States demographic right now. And to add more offers, you want to click on add link right here. You want to just simply go on to paste in the link to that offer right now and click on add. And once that link has actually been added, you can see right here that this is the link. You could then head back to your CPA Grip, go on to copy in this particular link title right here to this offer, head back to this page and actually do go on to maybe changing the title right here. And to change the title, you want to click on this icon, go on to editing the title right now and click on enter. Once you do click on enter, you can see that that has actually been added. You then want to go back to CPA Grip and do go on to copying more CPA marketing offers which you want to promote on the link tree right now. And you want to just simply type as many CPA marketing offers and insert right here. And you then want to just simply come right here, click on share, and you can get your link tree link by clicking on this section right now. And this is my link tree link. Now to promote this, you want to head on to Sprout Gig, as this is a very cool platform which actually connects freelancers and business owners together. As you can see right now, it's an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tax. And you can come right here and register for this platform for free by clicking on sign up. You'll be brought to this page. Go on to registering your account right here, and guys, you can register either as a worker or as an employer. It doesn't really matter the account which you do register for. You can do go on to switching anytime you want right here on this particular platform. And right now guys, as you can see, I'm logged into my account. So what you want to do right now guys is that if you do switch to the freelancer section right here guys, or the freelancer account right here, you can do go on to clicking on micro jobs and do click on find jobs. And if you do click on that right here guys, you will be brought to this page where you can see a lot of micro tags which you can go on to completing right now. You can see right now that this for this particular task is just to watch a video for just 5 seconds, And if you do that, guys, you're going to get paid about $1. And this person actually needs 46 about 57 people to complete this task right here, and some number of people have actually gone on to completing this task right now. So you can see this person needs 46 more people to complete this task. You can see right now this is just to subscribe to a YouTube channel, and you do get paid 25 cents right here. You can go also keep on scrolling. You can see right now this offer right here is paying people about 30 cents right here, and you can see it's just to promote a content and do a little micro tax right here, and you do get paid this particular amount. And this person needs about 6,000 people, and from that 6,000 people is only in need of 199 people more to complete this offer right here, meaning that about 5,000 and some numbers have actually gone on to completing this offer. So you can actually go on to doing this exact same strategy right now to promote your CPA marketing offers and get thousands of leads. And you can just simply list your CPA marketing offer among this list right here for people to actually do go on to completing. And how do you want to do that right here? Maybe if you're a beginner and you don't actually have money to go on to promoting your offer on this platform, you can then come right here to this section, complete some micro tags, and actually use that to generate some income first before you then want to just simply go back, switch your account right here to the buyer section. And if you do switch your account to the buyer section right here, you want to just simply come right here, click on micro jobs, and you want to click on post job. And if you do click on post job, guys, you want to select the location which you want to promote your job to. Maybe if I want to promote my job to the United States right now, I could just simply leave this country and targeting zone on international. I can then just simply scroll down, select the United States, and click on apply and go to next. And if I'm promoting my offer to the United States, or guys, rather, you can see right here it says select all countries you want to exclude from the selected zone. So you want to select all countries and remove all countries right here except the United States, because I want to promote such offers to the United States demographic right now. So I'm going to select all other countries, and by selecting them, I'm removing them from promoting them to that particular location. So guys, you can see right here, guys, I excluded all countries except the United States, and you can actually go on to seeing that in this section. This is the zone international. I excluded all these countries except the United States. And if I'm done with that, I can then just simply click on apply and go to next. You want to just simply go on to selecting the type of offers right here. And guys, if it's a survey offer, you just want to come right here, click on survey/offers. And once you do that, guys, you could just simply be more moderate. Maybe you could tell them it's a 10-question survey or a 25-question right here. Click on apply and go to next. And right here, you want to give your job a title. And I could just simply give it a title right here, such as complete a simple survey. And you could just simply come right here and just simply put in steps for them to complete that survey. So right now you can see the steps right here. The step 1 says click on this link, and this is my Linktree link right here. The step 2 says select an offer and complete survey. And right now you want to just simply go onto this proof section and actually select the type of proof that you want. I'm going to select the screenshot proof, and right here, guys, I'm going to tell them what to screenshot. So right now, guys, I'm telling them to screenshot the offer completion page. And once I do that, guys, you could add in more proofs, you could add in questions and do a lot more right here. But I'm going to click on apply and go to next. You want to select the level of this your offer right here. I'm going to leave that on starter. I'm going to leave the speed as it is. And right now, guys, you can actually go on to inserting the amount of workers which you do need for this offer. Inside, you want to get about 1,000 leads right here. Just going to put in 1,000 right now, and you could just simply put in the amount which each worker is actually going to be earning on this platform. And guys, you want to just simply put in an average that you know that is not going to exceed the particular amount which you do earn from your CPA marketing offer. So maybe if you're earning about $1 at average from each offer on CPA marketing, you just want to go on to giving them a simple small percentage of that particular amount. Maybe if you want to pay them 40 cents right here, you could just simply go on to inputting that. And once you do that, guys, you can actually go on to seeing that it says the amount workers will earn is too low. The payment must be at least this particular amount. So you could just simply give them this amount right here, and you want to make sure that you're earning a lot more higher than this right here from each CPA marketing offer. And if you're paying them this amount right here, guys, you can then just simply come right here and you can see your estimated amount which you're going to spend for this job. And if you don't have the money right here, you could go on to completing micro tasks right there. Previously, as you did actually see where I just showed you right there, you could complete micro tasks and generate the income that you will use to go onto funding this particular task right here. But if you don't have the money, just simply go to depositing that right here on this platform and go on to listing this as one of the micro tasks right there which people could go on to completing. And in doing so, you should be able to go on to the next step, which will be the settings section, and go on to promoting your offer right here on Spark Gigs, and actually do get thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offer and start making money with CPA marketing. And I hope this video did help you. If yes, why not smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.